Hello, I am futurist Amelia Kallman. Welcome to issue number 22 of The Big Reveal. I am thrilled to announce my CES Opportunity offering is back. So I am going to the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas in January, and I have a new offering. This time I am offering two different packages. They include things like live blogs, breaking news, photos, as well as representation, a report, presentation. So please do check out my CES Opportunity offering and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, thank you. Without further ado, Voxen. Voxen was probably one of the highlights of this month for me. Basically, I've worked in this industry since 2013, and everybody's always after this like holographic display that doesn't actually exist. Well, now it finally does. So Voxen have brought this idea to life. They have a 3D holographic display that doesn't require any wearables, any headsets. You can see it in the round, so it really brings people together. And this has real big implications, especially for areas like medical imaging, education, gaming, advertisement, and they've also released a 3D API for developers. Karuna Labs helps build immersive virtual reality technology that manages chronic pain by retraining the brain to recognize movements as non-threatening. So their virtual embodiment training program has been proven to restore function in a fun and engaging way, as well as improve quality of life. Orvil, this is a new payment system by Amazon where they scan your hand. So unlike biometrics where it has to touch something, this doesn't have to touch anything at all. And they are planning to roll this out in a handful of Whole Foods stores in the US by the beginning of next year. Drone display. So I saw this at IBC show, and it was something by NTT Docomo, which I believe is a Japanese company. So they introduced their spherical drone display. So it creates the illusion of flying holograms using LED strips that rotate at a high speed along a spherical frame. So this could be used for performances, also in concert arenas, or to deliver advertising and event messaging. Catwalk. So this is this allows people to understand plans in space by using advanced visualization technologies in an interactive, life-size, immersive design experience. So they have locations, physical locations in Australia and Germany where companies can go to, and they can actually physically make their designs possible. So this is being used right now in oil and gas, energy, transport, medical, manufacturing, as well as home design. Asahi Discover Karakuchi is an interactive scavenger hunt app for iOS and Android that was created by Anishin for Asahi Superdry. It allows users throughout the UK to use your phones to discover pints of beer on the street using geolocation augmented reality. And then these can be redeemed at pubs for real beers. It can also be gifted to friends, and they're giving away 10,000 complimentary pints as well as a trip to Japan. Heartprint. So BioLife FD has successfully 3D bioprinted a mini human heart with cardiac muscle cells. So they used a specifically designed bioink that was supported by a scaffold that encased the heart, and then it was transferred to a bioreactor that mimics the conditions of the human body so that the cells could come together and tissue could be formed. So the goal is that they're going to be able to 3D print human hearts for transplants. But in the meantime, these can also be used for medical testing and drug testing. Morph Pottery. So the World Artificial Intelligence Conference was held in Shanghai earlier this month, and Google had a stunning display where they were able to use people could interact with this installation And artificial intelligence recognized their body, their movements, and then morphed these vases to be in the shape reacting to the humans. So the vases were morphed in shape, material, and texture, and it's just a really fun use of technology. Wouter. So the Wouter Edge is a new product that lets you enjoy music and feel sound in a new way. So it creates more of an immersive experience for listening to music or gaming, virtual reality, as well as watching films. So it's a portable haptics device, and it can play frequencies up to 500 hertz, including subsonic frequencies that are below the human ear threshold. So they plan to retail for $179, but currently, if you invest on Kickstarter, they're only $99. And finally, Zero Latency. So they offer a social, free roam virtual reality experience that puts you inside a game and tricks your mind into thinking that you are actually there. So these experiences are currently available in London at Wembley Box Park, as well as in Nottingham at the Into Victoria Centre. And sessions are for 1 to 8 players. They last 45 minutes, and they are $35.95 per person. And it's just really exciting to see that location-based entertainment is starting to really take off when it comes to virtual reality. So if anybody wants to go, let me know. Okay, that's what I got for you this month. Thank you so much for joining me, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.